Many of my arthritis patients can tell me when the weather is going to change or when it's going to rain. Even I'm surprised, few of my arthritis patients can say which day of the week is full moon without looking at the calendar. So, is it a joke or a myth? So let's listen to it. I am Dr. Arup Kumar Sahu. I am a consultant physician rheumatologist working with Apollo Group. Now let's talk about debunking few common myths about arthritis. These are real myths or there are facts, scientific explanation behind these myths. Now before we proceed, now take a question. What is arthritis? You should know about it. Arthritis is commonly inflammation of the joint, usually manifested by pain, swelling, stiffness in and around the joint. What is joint? Joint is a joining box where two or more participating bones allow free mobility to some extent. When this joint gets inflamed, you feel pain, stiffness, and can see swelling in and around that area. Now there are few common misbeliefs about arthritis. Now myth number 1, arthritis is a disease of old age. Is it so? Now let's listen. Arthritis can affect any age group starting from childhood to the old age population. But the clinical presentation may vary according to the age group affected. So be careful about involvement of joints at any age group. You should be cautious to seek medical attention. Now come to myth number 2. Exercise worsens arthritis. Is it? Not at all. Exercise improves flexibility, mobility of arthritic joint. Thus, it can reduce pain, stiffness, and even swelling of the affected joint. Rather, inactivity produces stiffness and eventually worsens arthritic symptoms. It is found low impact aerobic exercise such as brisk walking, swimming, cycling, group exercise are very much beneficial in reducing arthritis related symptoms. Now come to myth number 2, which is very common and interesting in the community. Dampness, cold weather worsens arthritis. So what's the fact behind? Actually, there is no hardcore scientific evidence to explain this phenomena. But in reality, it does exist. Most of the patients, they complain in that way. So we can find there are few theories and postulates to support this phenomena. Briefly, I can say one explanation, that is cold weather reduces blood flow in and around the joint, increases muscle spasm, even it heightens the pain sensitivity. In this way, you can feel more pain and stiffness during winter. Secondly, mostly during damp and humid weather, you will feel more pain and stiffness in and around your affected joints. Is there any scientific basis? To some extent. Humidity, change in the barometric pressure can alter the viscosity and turgidity of tissue fluid inside the joint, which eventually increases the joint fluid pressure, and that causes increased pain, stiffness, swelling. So really It does exist to some extent, we can explain it. Still, it's a matter of debate. Research is going on. So, my key message to all of my patients is arthritis is a treatable disease. Do not ignore it. It is a major cause of disability all over the world. So, seek medical attention at the earliest. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.